But you can see here we've got a brush pile. And this brings up probably one of the best things I like to adjust on the water. And the number one thing I recommend anyone who's using a Garmin setup to tweak, and that is gonna be your gain. So right here, whether you've got an Echo map unit, GPS map unit, generally speaking, your gain controls on the bottom right-hand side if you have a touchscreen unit. So what I like to do with gain is, depending on the body of water, I'm either gonna run this anywhere from low side 65% to high side 75, even up to 80%. But the biggest thing I see people make a mistake with when it comes to a Livescope setup is running this gain low. Now you can see I got the gain down to 60%, and we've got this nice pretty backdrop, nice, you know, crisp return. But as you can see, it is making it incredibly more difficult to see that brush pile. So right now I am pointed at that brush pile, and I'm just gonna start bringing the gain up. And it's gonna start appearing immediately. Now, got a little bit of wave movement, so again, we're trying to keep us as straight pointed at this pile as we can. But as you can see, now I've got a lot more return on that brush pile. Let me actually turn us and not throw us out of the boat as well. There we go. So, you can see with that gain control, it's really easy to over filter your pictures like this. Now I've got my gain all the way down to 56%. And you can see it is really difficult to see that brush pile. So what I recommend to most people is, especially if you're in a clear water fishery like we are now in Lanier, I'll normally run my gain low side 68, high side even all the way up to 80. It's not a bad thing to get some return like this, because you're gonna see everything in the water column. You can see as we look around, we still see our structure. We actually can see fish moving out of this other brush pile. And you can see, if I want to get a little bit crisper picture, not as much noise, normally that's 71 to 72%. So gain is everything. You can see we've actually got two fish that are moving along on the bottom there. They're really tight at the bottom, which is where this Garmin really stands out. So same thing, if I over filter the picture, really hard to see that fish. If I bring our gain back up, we can actually see that fish cruising the bottom as there we go, turn the troller. So again, while we got them pointed at them, we're gonna turn our gain down. Difficult to see them, bring our gain up. A lot easier to see those returns. So biggest thing when it comes to Garmin setup, it doesn't matter, give me out of the box settings on this thing. Immediately start playing with your gain. That's probably the number one thing I see guys make mistakes on, is they're running too low a gain and you're just not gonna see anything. That's probably the biggest thing when a boat comes to us with poor picture quality. A lot of times just the gain setting is put too low. So you clear water guys, I'm gonna say 68 to 80%. Muddier, more particulate bodies of water, you can run, you know, maybe 65 to 70. Really just depends on how you want to filter the screen, but strongly advise the lowest you'd ever go would probably be 60%. And even then, I think that's too low. So really run that higher gain. Don't worry about a little feedback on the screen, because it's all about seeing what we can see out there. We don't want to over filter the picture. So that's my favorite tip when it comes to a Garmin Livescope setup, is your gain adjustments.